Hi, this is Nujahat Anjum. In previous class, we will discuss about hybridization and the sp3 hybridization. In sp3 hybridization, we will discuss about methane as the example, and here we will study the bonding present in the methane. Now in this class, we will discuss about the sp2 hybridization. In sp2 hybridization of carbon atom, here we first know the ground state electronic configuration of carbon. This is the ground state electronic configuration of the carbon. We know there are 6 electrons are present in the carbon atom because the atomic number of carbon is 6 and there are 6 electrons are there in carbon and they are arranged in this manner. In 1s orbital there are 2 electrons are there. In 2s orbital there is also 2 electrons are there. In 2p orbital there are 2 electrons are filled in 2 different subshells of p orbit. There are 3 subshells in p orbit, that is 2px, 2px, py and pz. In 2p orbital, the 2 electrons present in the carbon atom, they occupy the 2px orbital and 2py orbital. The remaining 2pz orbitals, it is unfilled. While we will give the some amount of heat to the ground state carbon atom, it will get excited and the electron which is present in the 2s orbital, it jumps from 2s orbital to the 2pz orbital which is empty in its ground state. Now this is the electronic configuration of the carbon atom in its excited state. In its excited state, what happens? The electron which is present in the 2s orbital, which is jumps from 2s orbital to the 2pz orbital, the higher energy orbital, because while we will supply the energy or heat to the ground state carbon atom, the electrons, the valence electrons which absorbs the heat and it jumps to the higher energy level orbitals. Now here there are 4 unpaired electrons are there in the carbon atom. In its excited state, there are 4 unpaired electrons are there. In these 4 unpaired electrons, one 2s orbit and 2p orbitals are get interact with each other and forms 2 sp2 orbitals. There are 3 sp2 orbitals are formed because of the interaction between the 1 2s orbital and 2 2p orbitals. This is what happens after interaction of the 1 2s and 2 2p orbitals. There are 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals are formed. We already know what are the hybrid orbitals. The hybrid orbitals which are having same energy and shape, but they are different in their orientation only. They have the same energy and shape. The remaining 2pz orbital which cannot be participate in the hybridization, which remain unhybridized, and it will be there here in the last, that is the unhybridized p orbital. This is the electronic configuration of the carbon atom in its hybridized state. Okay, this is how the formation of sp2 orbital will be happens in the ground state. When we give energy to the carbon atom, the electron which is present in the 2s orbital, which is dumps from the 2pz orbital, and one 2s orbital and 2p orbitals are mix each other, they interact with each other and forms the 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. Here what is the meaning of sp2? S means here one s orbital is there and p2, and it means 2 p orbitals are there. One s orbital and 2 p orbitals are mixed with each other or interact with each other to form sp2 hybrid orbitals. The speciality of hybrid orbitals means the hybrid orbitals are having same energy and same shape, but they are having difference in their orientation only. The orientation in space it is different, but the shape and energy of the hybrid orbitals are same. The 2pz orbital which is having higher energy than the sp2 hybrid orbitals. Okay, this is the formation of 3 equivalent sp2 hybrid orbitals of carbon atom. These are the orientation of the sp2 orbitals. The figure A which explains the orientation of sp2 orbitals. The sp2 orbitals are occupy in space like this around the carbon atom. This is the orientation of the pz orbital in the space. In pz orbital, the pz orbital, it is arranged in the space like this. While these two orbitals are in the same in relation, then the structure of the orientation of the sp2 and pz orbital is like this. The figure 3 which explains the structure of carbon atom in the presence of pz and sp2 hybrid orbitals. These are the orientation of the hybrid orbitals. In the next class we will discuss about the ethylene bonding in ethylene molecule. Thank you.